multiply radicals, we need to observe their indices. If they have the same indices, we simply multiply the radicand and then simplify. For example, 4 square root of 3 times 3 square root of 5. So, multiply the coefficients first. 4 times 3, the answer is 12. And then, we have square root of 3 times square root of 5. The answer is square root of 15. So, the answer to this is 12 square root of 15. 5 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 6. So first, we multiply 5 and 2, we have 10. And then, square root of 3 times square root of 6, we have square root of 18. Take note that square root of 18 can still be simplified as 9 times 2. So the square root of 9 is 3. So we have 10 times 3. And then 2. So our final answer is 10 times 3, 30 square root of 2. 2 square root of 3b times 5 square root of 2b. So again, first we multiply the coefficients. 2 times 5 is 10. And then we multiply this radicals. We have square root of 3 times 2, 6. B times b is b squared. Observe that b squared can still be simplified. So that would be the square root of b squared is b. So we have 10b square root of 6. That would be the final answer. What if we have a different indices? Example, square root of 2 times cube root of 3. So first, we are going to transform the radicals to powers with rational exponents. So that would be 2 raised to 1/2 times 3 raised to 1/3. Add the exponents or change the exponents into similar fractions. The GCF of the exponents will be 6, 2, and 3, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1, 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1 is 2. Now, the exponents are similar, or the fractions are now similar. Now, rewrite the product as a single radical. So, to do that, they have both 6 root. So, we write 6 here. And then, inside, we have 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 2. This is our index. And 3 and 2 will be the exponent of the bases respectively here. Follow? And then we simplify that. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Times 3 times 3 is 9. So what is 8 times 9? We have 72. So this will be the 6th root of 72. Use distributive property. So 2 times 4 is 8, square root of 3 times 2 6 minus 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 5, 15. This is now the final answer since the radicals are not similar. Here we are going to apply FOIL method. First, 2 times 2, square root of 4. Next, 3 times 5, negative 15. Here we have negative 3, square root of 2. And here we have 5, square root of 2. Now we rewrite, but first we add these two. Negative 3 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 2 is 2 square root of 2. Then we have the square root of 4, 2, plus here 2 square root of 2, and the last term, negative 15. Then we combine negative 15 and 2 would be negative 13 plus 2 square root of 2. Again, we cannot combine 13 and 2 since 13 doesn't have a radical number. So this is now our final answer.